Michelle Romano here with the Elite Home Sales Team at RE/MAX Professionals. Cannot wait to show you our new listing located at 10067 East Peakview Avenue. This is a single family residence, has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a little over 1,600 square feet, has incredible natural light, stunning finishes. I cannot wait to show you. Let's take a look around. As you can see, from the incredible finishes to the home theater, you're not gonna wanna miss this. So if you wanna have a private showing, let me know, give me a call, or I'm gonna have an open house this Sunday between 1 and 4. See you then.